Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Is all the clutter in your kitchen starting to look like an old junkyard? Sick of spending hours cooking, only to serve mediocre meals lacking in flavor? Wish your family would spend less time whining and more time dining? Well, now they can with the new Bravo XL, the world's first digital smart oven with flavor infusion technology. It's a breakthrough in culinary creations. With just a touch, it can bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, even air fry delicious crispy foods with no oil and no extra calories. Discover how 1800 watts and precision control creates your very own pizzeria, and how Bravo begins cooking 4 times faster than your big oven. No more waiting to preheat. And witness Bravo's new secret weapon in action, so you'll never ruin another meal. Guaranteed.
Bravo. Bravo.
Bravo. Compact in size, Bravo can roast a 10-pound chicken or 13-inch pizza with ease. And it replaces that big oven, a deep fryer, stovetop, microwave, and more. Just touch and go to instantly air fry mountains of crispy onion rings, French fries, and wings with no oil or extra calories. Faster than you can get delivery, cook frozen foods to fabulous, like crispy air fried French fries in just 8 minutes, or juicy homemade air fried chicken in only 20 minutes. Packed with 1800 watts, Bravo creates super cyclonic hot air to cook foods lightning fast. And our exclusive flavor infusion technology ensures even cooking, so meals are served golden and delicious every time. But don't stop there. Add Bravo's integrated temperature probe and roast prime meats and fresh poultry to perfection, guaranteed. And never get stuck cleaning a dirty stovetop. With Bravo, just remove the crumb tray and easily toss the mess away. Thermal test proof, Bravo can heat up to 4 times faster than a regular oven. Amazing! Dehydrate fruits and nuts, reheat leftovers, bake crispy crust pizzas or family-sized casseroles without waiting to preheat the big oven. With Bravo, the possibilities are endless.
Welcome to the NUWAVE family. We're excited you decided to join us and are about to find out what living well for less is truly all about. Today, we're unboxing the Bravo XL, model number 20801. Let's open up the top of the box. You will find a manual, quick start guide, and some paperwork. Here are your 2 heavy-duty cooking racks. Gently turn your box over. Carefully slide your unit out. Here you have an air fryer basket, an enamel broiler rack, and baking pan. Carefully flip your unit back over. Remove the packing material from your unit. Here is your enamel broiler rack. In here we have our digital temperature probe, our enamel baking pan, our air fry basket, our 2 heavy-duty cooking racks, our manual, quick start guide, some warnings, and our cookbook. Your Bravo will ship with a couple pieces of tape to keep the oven door closed. Remove those 2 pieces of tape. This red sticker tells you how to earn an additional 3-month limited warranty by registering your unit. You can remove this prior to using. There's a sticker over the display. Remove that before we use it. There's a couple pieces of tape that's holding your crumb tray in. Remove those 2 pieces of tape. This is the pull-out crumb tray down here. We're going to insert the racks on the Bravo XL. Open your Bravo door. I'm going to insert the first rack into position 1. I'm going to insert the second rack into position 3. I'll take the enamel baking pan and broiler rack and put them into position 1. Take the fry basket and put that in position 3. On the back of your Bravo XL, there's a sticker which has your serial number and a QR code. You can scan this QR code to register your Bravo for an extended warranty. You might experience a new appliance smell on the first use. Don't be alarmed, this is not unusual with a new electrical product. We recommend washing all accessories and parts thoroughly. The new appliance smell will go away, however it might take a couple uses. Start the appliance without food at the default temperature for 25 minutes, then let the unit cool for 15 minutes before use. If the smell remains, try it 1 or 2 more times. We're dedicated to serving you with top quality products and customer service, and your experience with us is very important. Please take a moment to leave an honest review of your Bravo XL once you've had the chance to use it a few times. And as always, please contact us for more information or assistance. Thank you for trying the Bravo XL and becoming part of the NUWAVE family.